Saturday afternoon at the Horseshoe playing Deuces Wild, and we have 3 2s dealt to us. Nellie's going to hit the magic button here, and we're going to try and get some 4 2s. Hit that magic button there. There we go. Looking for 4 2s. There's 1, 2. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. 3. We're not even halfway through there yet. Keep going. Come on, we want to see some more. 4, that's good. And we got some bigger hands there, some spoils. Come on, we want some more. 4, there will be a couple more in there. Come on, come on, come on. 5. Squeeze another. Squeeze. No squeeze. 5 and coins. We'll take it. That's a $75 hand. Thank you very much.